Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question number 28 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/1/3. Question number 28 says, a right circular cylinder and a right circular cone have equal bases and equal heights. If their curved surface areas are in the ratio 8:5, then find the ratio between the radius of their bases to their height. Let the radius of the cylinder be r and the height of the cylinder be h. Since it is equal bases and equal height, so we have to consider a cone which has the same radius. So I represent the radius of the cone also with the same letter r, and the vertical height of the cone is represented by the same letter h. The curved surfaces are in the ratio 8:5. The curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH, and the curved surface area of cone is pi RL. Pi RL can be written as R square plus H square. CSA of cylinder upon CSA of cone is equal to 8 upon 5. That is 2 pi RH upon pi R root r square plus h square is equal to 8 upon 5. On simplifying the left hand side, we get 2h upon root r square plus h square is equal to 8 upon 5. Pushing the h to the denominator, the left hand side can be written as 2 upon r square plus h square upon h square, which is equal to 8 by 5. That is 1 upon root r square plus h square upon h square is equal to 4 upon 5. Now reciprocating both LHS and RHS, we get root r square plus h square upon h square is equal to 5 upon 4. Squaring on both the sides, we get r square plus h square upon h square is equal to 25 upon 16. Left hand side can be written as r square upon h square plus h square upon h square, which is 25 upon 16. H square upon h square becomes 1. So r square by h square is equal to 25 by 16 minus 1. R square upon h square is equal to 9 upon 16. R by h the whole square is equal to 3 upon 4 the whole square, which implies that R upon h is 3 upon 4. So the ratio of the radius and the height is 3:4. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.